Looking for a home that checks all the boxes, location, layout, and updates? Then I've got you. Our latest listing at 87 Sawali Bay backs onto 3 parks, features a smart floor plan with a fully finished basement, and has been tastefully updated by its long-term owners. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.